Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life on your Jeep Liberty. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on or RUN position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key far enough so the dashboard lights come on. This prepares the system for the reset process. It's a simple initial step that sets you up for success. Make sure all accessories are off to avoid any distractions during this crucial first stage. Now, with the ignition still in the on position, you'll need to fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. Make sure you do this within a 10-second window. Press the pedal smoothly and completely to the floor, then release it fully before pressing again. This specific sequence signals the vehicle's computer to begin the oil life reset procedure. Precision is key for this step to register correctly. Once you've completed the 3 pedal presses, turn the ignition key to the OFF position. This finalizes the reset command. Now, go ahead and start your engine. You should observe that the oil life message is no longer displayed on your dashboard, indicating a successful reset. If the message persists, don't worry, we'll cover what to do next. If the reset doesn't work on the first try, simply repeat the steps carefully. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to get the timing just right. Ensure your vehicle's battery is in good condition, as a low battery can sometimes interfere with electronic resets. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other fantastic deals, in the description below. We always aim to provide helpful resources for our viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.